Good day everyone. For this video, we're gonna explore the ballistic laboratory room. But before that, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Gina Balpiba, a criminology student from Section 4 RCB1. So let's go to the room.
Why are you most excited to try this laboratory?
I choose the ballistic laboratory because it allows me to apply criminology in solving crimes by analyzing firearms, ammunition, and the bullets evidence to uncover the truth.
What skills do you expect to gain from this lab?
I expect to gain practical skills and knowledge in firearms and ammunition analysis that will help in criminal investigation.
How will these skills help you in your criminology journey and future career?
These skills will strengthen my ability to analyze evidence and support law enforcement in solving fire-related crimes. They will also give me a competitive edge in pursuing a career in forensic science or criminal investigation.